Hello and welcome to your 67th SQL Server tutorial. My name is Johnny DeLuca, and this evening I want to show you how to create a for trigger using T-SQL. So let's get started. Go over to Management Studio. Oh, whoops, I want to expand all this back down. Alright, this is where you should be starting. Connect to an instance of SQL Server. And then once you're all connected, go to your databases folder, expand. You're looking for AdventureWorks 2012. You want to expand your tables folder. You want to expand the human resources department folder right here, this one. Okay, now we're going to right click the triggers folder and we're going to select new trigger. A new query window now appears that contains a trigger template script. You can use this script as a good starting point for creating a trigger, but we're actually not going to do that. We are going to go to our new query button, click that, because I already have a modified version of that starting point code right here. Going to copy this, going back over to our new query. I'm going to paste that in. Now you can go ahead and take some time, pause this, and copy that down for yourself. Okay, and then once you have that all done, you're just going to want to go ahead and execute it. Before I execute it, let me talk about it for a sec here. So the query you see up here in this window creates a trigger that checks the modified date. It ensures that during the insert of a new department, the modified date is the current day. If it's not, the row is updated, setting modified date to current date and time. Okay, so again, one more time, this query creates a trigger that checks the modified date. It ensures that during the insert of a new department, the modified date is the current day. If it's not, the row is updated, setting modified date to the current date and time. Okay, so let's execute. Okay, commands completed successfully. Now, we want to open another new query window. And we are going to execute this block of code here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over to Management Studio. Going to paste that in. You can go ahead and copy that down now. Or you can pause it, I mean. So you can copy it down. Once you've got that done, go ahead and execute it. Now, in the last row of the result set, you will see the newly inserted row. Notice that the modified date is not the value that was specified in the insert. It should be the current date and time of the insert. And to see that, what I'm talking about down here. Yes. Okay. So, also something to note, in the code of the trigger, sorry about that. Anyways, as I was saying, in the code of the trigger, specifically the select statement, a logical table called inserted is referenced. There are actually two tables of this type. The second table is deleted. These tables are available within the context of the trigger. You cannot modify the structure or contents of these tables. The inserted table stores a copy of a row or rows that were inserted, or a copy of the new values for rows that were updated. During an update, the inserted table stores the new or updated row. The second deleted table stores the data before an update and a row or rows that were deleted in a delete statement. Okay, and I just wanted to show you what I was talking about here, the current date and time. Notice right here, same as my computer date and time. So anyways, you are now a rock star when it comes to creating a for trigger using T-SQL. And in my next tutorial, I'm going to talk to you about altering an existing trigger. So thanks. I'll see you there.